Welcome to this easy, absolute beginner's level tutorial on subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. Before we get started, please do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So just so you know, it's important to realize that this is only available in the DaVinci Resolve Studio version, which is the paid for version, not in the free version. So I'm going to start by taking my clip and I'm just going to drag it down into the editor timeline. From here, I'm going to select Timeline, AI Tools, and then Create Subtitles from Audio. This is going to ask me a series of questions here. And the most important parts of this will be the maximum number of characters per line and how many lines. So the lines can either be single or double, and I usually like to go double. And then the maximum number of characters per line, generally 42 is too much for me. I think about 24 is good for a landscape video like this. 12 is good for a vertical video. And that's pretty okay. So we're just going to click create and we'll let it do its thing. And that was fast. It literally didn't take any other time. And you can see that it has listened to what I've stated and it has created those subtitles. And if you're happy with that, great. That's all you have to do. Notice that it created a separate track just for the subtitles. Now, from here, what I can do, if I choose to, but I don't have to, is click on Effects. And then if I come down to Titles and I open up the Subtitles folder underneath it, then I have a bunch of text here that are, or subtitles that can be used as well. And I'm going to actually take this word highlight and I'm going to drag it down and drop it onto the track itself like this. And now you can see that it has created this track where it is highlighting the words as they're being spoken, which is pretty cool. Now, let me just go to one, and then also I'm going to open up the Inspector tab. And with this highlighted, you can see that if there's any spelling errors or anything that it misunderstood, you can caption that. And then if I select this one, same thing, okay? But also, under track itself, I can make changes to the look of this. All right, so then when it comes to actually delivering this video, I'm going to come over to the Delivery tab, and I'm going to set this up the way I want it. I'll go ahead and name this. And then I'm going to come down to the bottom and it says subtitle settings here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and you can see that right now it is not ticked on. So it will not actually deliver it with the subtitles. But if I select export subtitles, then you have a choice. You can export this as a separate file, or you can have embedded captions, or you can burn it right into the video. That's what I want to do. I want to burn this right into the video so that the video that I add to the render queue and then render will end up being the one that I want with all of those subtitles. Do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future content. Until next time, thanks for watching.